Hello everyone, I am Nagamani, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Now, I am going to share a video on the subject which is prescribed by Bangalore North University for first semester BBA, and the subject is Business Organization and Environment. In this subject, we are going to learn the first unit, that is Introduction to Business. Here, we are going to learn the meaning of business, its features, and classification of business activities. Learning objective of this session is to introduce the students to the subject. Outcome of this session is at the end of the session, the students would be able to understand the meaning of business. Business is an activity which involves exchange of goods or services with the assistance of various supporting activities like banking, transport, insurance, etc., with the objective of making profit. Business can also be defined as a person or a group of persons engaged in a trade, service, commercial or industrial undertaking for profit. Totally, business is a complex field of trade, industry, and commerce, wherein which goods or services are produced and sold for the purpose of satisfying needs of the society as well as to make profit. And this process takes place within the boundary of government rules and regulations. Coming to the features of business, the first feature of business is exchange activity. Business is an exchange activity where goods or services are sold by business people and purchased by the consumers. And this exchange process takes place for a consideration called price. For example, if I want to buy a pen and the price of the pen is rupees 10, I will pay rupees 10 to the shopkeeper and he gives me a pen which is worth of rupees 10. Here we both are exchanging something which is of equal value, where the shopkeeper is giving me a pen which is of 10 rupees and where I am going to pay him rupees 10, that is equal to pen. So we both are exchanging something which is of equal value. So here is an exchange activity. There is an exchange activity. So always a business is an exchange activity. Coming to the second feature, that is continuous activity. A business is a continuous activity as nobody takes up a business activity for a single day and for a single transaction. Transactions should be continuous and there should be a regular line of activity. And the third feature is economic gain. Business activity takes place for an economic gain, that is profit. Basic motto of any business activity is to make profit. Nobody takes up any business activity if there is no profit. Therefore, the business is run for earning profit. But that profit must be earned in ethical ways and means. Coming to the next feature, that is societal needs. Business is considered as a part of the society where it is treated as subsystem of the total system in the society, as it is making use of the resources that are available in the society. It is the responsibility of the business to satisfy the needs and wants of the society. It may be by providing good quality products to the society, or by gaining profit in ethical ways and means or in fair manner. Coming to the next feature, that is risk bearing. Business involves risk. There are several types of risk in a business process, where some risks are insurable and some are non-insurable. Insurable risk like loss from theft, fire, damages, etc. can be recovered by insurance, but there are some risks like flood, war, earthquake, or government policy which affects business process, and the losses of these kind cannot be insured, cannot be covered by insurance, but the owners of the business here should be capable of bearing such risk. So these are the features of about the meaning of business, features of business, and also classification of business activities in brief. References for this video, for this session: Business Organization and Environment textbook by H.R. Appanaya and G. Dinagar. Business Organization and Environment textbook by K. Ashwathappa and G. Sudarshana Reddy. And Business Environment textbook by K. Venkataramana. And Business Organization and Environment textbook by Dr. Alice Mani. So these are the references, textbooks for this session. Okay, so thank you, students.